Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know you can hear the sound, the siren sound outside. I don't know what's happening. I think maybe some government officials are passing by. Alright, please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you find what we are sharing with you interesting, right, and educative, please like the video, because when you like the video, YouTube algorithm will recommend the video to
It's
other
12
people.
o'clock.
Thank you very much. To other people to watch the video also, right? And other people get to get the same knowledge that you're getting and even more, right? You don't know the person that would watch the video because you liked it might be the next Satoshi to make crypto even better for all of us. Right, I posted a story of Vitalik Buterin, how he started crypto. He went to read about cryptocurrency and blockchain, so about Bitcoin and how the technology works. And today he made Ethereum. Now imagine there was nobody to educate him about Bitcoin or nobody to publish an article, there would have been no Ethereum today. So please like the video, also other people can. It's your way of contributing to what we're doing here in Light Blocks, right? And also you can join our community, right? And whenever we have fresh new info that would be beneficial to your finances, we'll post it to our community alone, right? For example, several months ago we talked about Solana in our private group now, and a lot of people got Solana when it was really cheap. Right now, a few days ago, Solana got to top 10. So Solana has been doing extremely well. Right, so let's go to the news we have for today. We don't have much news today. Anyways, crypto here to stay, but its role is unclear. Now, this is a very nonsensical statement. Crypto's role is very clear, and the clear of cryptocurrency and blockchain is to take the banks out of business. So that is the role, right? So with cryptocurrency and blockchain, we don't need the banks anymore. So the role is clear. What is not unclear is how the government are going to tax cryptocurrency, how the government are going to control cryptocurrency. That is what is not clear, right? So there's no point going through that news. But yeah. So some other news: Bitcoin set to replace gold, says Bloomberg strategist on Bretton Woods 50th anniversary. Now this is a statement that needs some airdrop of Haglex to this person's wallet, right? So this is the Bitcoin gold chart, right? So as you can see, the price of gold has been falling against Bitcoin. It has been falling several years. It was equivalent to about 100 plus, almost 200 plus Bitcoin. Now it's 0.03, right? So if you haven't watched this video, you should. And just type gold or gold 1971 and then you get to watch that video. But just in case you don't understand what this actually means, I've done a video. You should watch this video. Is highly recommended. I did a video here, and the title of the video is "This is why Bitcoin will hit $500,000 per coin." I've done the whole analysis and stated several reasons why Bitcoin will hit $500,000 per coin. Right, make sure you watch that video, right? And I'm sure that is exactly what this guy is saying here. So if Bitcoin is going to replace gold, this is what it will look like. So this is the market capitalization of assets around the world, right? Gold has the biggest market capitalization. Why? Because all countries in the world are trying to back their asset by what? By gold. So gold has a market capitalization of $11 trillion. But guess what? Bitcoin has better features than gold. And when Bitcoin replaces gold, right? Bitcoin is bigger than Tesla, it's bigger than Tencent, it's bigger than Visa, it's bigger than Alibaba, it's bigger than Samsung, it's bigger than Walmart, it's bigger than MasterCard. You see? It's bigger than PayPal. So when Bitcoin replaces gold, what's going to be the price? So I've done the calculation in this video. Please do make sure you check it out. And of course, don't forget to like this channel, right? So moving on to some other news. Ghana's digital city must emulate cryptocurrencies. Yeah, sure, why not? You can't emulate a project that has failed. So cryptocurrency has been a huge success and is still continuing to be a huge success, if there's English like that. Right, so the government have seen that if they don't act fast and create something that looks like cryptocurrency that they own and control, they'll go out of business, because whoever controls the money controls the people. All right, next news. Major European music festival will allow fans to buy tickets using EGLD. All right, so this is the coin right here, EGLD. The price is 147, and when Bitcoin dropped a little bit, it dropped by 6%. Yep, and its all-time high is about $218, and it's currently $146. All right, we've been doing giveaway within the past couple of days, and we'll be giving out in this video. We'll be giving out $20 worth of Hagulex coin. Today there's no question to win. All you just have to do is drop your Hagulex wallet, and one person will be picked at random to win $20 worth of Hagulex coin. But please, you have to subscribe to win. You have to subscribe to the channel. You have to like the video, and you also have to get your Hagulex wallet from Trust Wallets. Moving on to some other news. Team officially re-establishes Dogecoin Foundation after 6 years. Now, this news is both, a good news and a sad news for me. Sad news because I once had bajillion amount of Dogecoin, thousands of Dogecoin, but because, excuse me, the entire crypto space, right? If it doesn't have a good team, it doesn't have fundamentals, there's nothing, the coin has no use case. Don't buy it, don't buy it. That's what we're told. And I sold all my Dogecoin, and today these guys are trying to make Dogecoin worth the while. Anyways, I still have a couple of thousands of dollars of Dogecoin, but it's locked somewhere, and I've not visited that exchange for years. I tried to visit recently, and they asked me to do KYC. I've done the KYC, and it's still not open. Anyways, that's the Dogecoin news. A lot of people have become millionaire already through that. But moving on. Nifty news: John Cena, who was, or I don't know if it's the wrestler, collectibles, ROM tokens, Super Rare 2.0, and more. Okay, Super Rare is dropping new governance tokens to platform users. Bacardi is tokenizing its new ROM line, and the WWE is launching John Cena's NFT. This is big news for crypto, and the summary of the news is John Cena is going into WWE, World Wrestling, whatever, is launching an NFT of John Cena. Robinhood shareholders want crypto wallets and a hat, right? That's more adoption for crypto, and I think these are the news of the cryptocurrencies that will be listed: Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ether, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic, there has been 51% attacked 0 times. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, also SV has been attacked also recently. Anyways, that's the Robinhood listing news. Audio, we talked about audio in the previous video we sent out. So Audio partnered with TikTok, and the market cap has boomed up to $1 billion with a B. Alright, so the last news for today before we look at the markets, prices. How blockchain empowers women in the Middle East. This news, as far as I'm concerned, is generic, because if it can empower men, it can empower women can empower men also, right? So, and there was a video, I don't know if you guys have seen that video, floating around yesterday stroke early this morning, how that those who keep their money in the bank in Afghanistan have not been able to withdraw the money from the bank, and all banks have shut down. I think that is a wake-up call for people to realize that they shouldn't keep more than 30% of their money in the bank. And such things will be coming to a country near you. All right, let's look at the crypto prices and see how the market is holding up. Bitcoin fell a little bit, which is expected. I was expecting a 10% crash in price, but we didn't. It fell down to $45,000. Ethereum is still above $3,000. Binance Coin is still over $400 per coin. Cardano is $2. Theta is always stable at $1. XRP is $1.1. Dogecoin is $0.29. USDT is $1 stable coin. Polkadot is $23.96. Solana is $73.72. Uniswap is $26.65. Bitcoin Cash is $643.48. And BUSD, which is a stable coin, is $1. And Terra Luna, Terra Luna is a deflationary coin, just like Ethereum, right? And I expect its price to get to $50, $100 anytime soon. And everyone in our group already has Terra Luna. So if you want to join our group, you want to get all this information firsthand into your inbox, just click, first of all, subscribe to the channel, obviously. Click like this video also and click join, and then you will get started. Alright guys, thanks for watching and or listening to me ranting this morning. I do hope you have a lovely day. See ya. Oh, I'm going to click join instead of